What a faff it is getting ready to go. The looper's ready, she's harnessed up. We've got our route. Check the oil on the van, all seems cool. The weather's great, it's Saturday, I don't know what that's going to mean for traffic. We'll find out. But we've got to find shopping and we need water. So those are the things we want to look out for on the way. Into Marché. I need to buy some new t-shirts and some shorts. So stuff to look out for on the way. But let's go to the next venue. You ready? We're going there. I wonder what that bridge is like. Oh, it's found Lidl. Baguette 35 cents and it's still warm. Right, let's get this lot inside. Well, I was skeptical about whether I'd find anything in that place, but I got a load of stuff, 30 quid basically, including wife beater top. I haven't got a wife, but never mind. I think we carry on down to this site that we're going to with the boat graveyard. We'll keep an eye out for anything else we need on the way, and we need to give Looper a good run, maybe a swim. So maybe the high tide in the river will do that, I don't know. Right, it's official, we're on a dirt track. So the boat graveyard is just down there. You can just see them through the trees. But ages till sunset. Nice and shaded here for Loopy. I'll have some lunch and then we'll try and get down there, see what view we can get of the boat graveyard. You coming in, Luke? Come on. So what have we got down here then? Whoa! Are you kidding me? Look at the boat. sugar's kicking in. The sunset is coming. The light around the boat graveyard is really soft at the moment, so we've got to go and give this a go. I'm trying to find the quickest route down. Come on, Luke, let's go. Come on. I love this place, it's well spooky, even though it's still daylight. And the other thing we've got going for us as well is there's no wind. Nothing. So that should mean a nice, steady camera. Need to show my tripod a bit of love. It's been in the sea a bit. It's all a bit. Well, that turned out to be a spectacular sunset. Even though it's obscured by all those hills. Look at the colours, I don't suppose you can see them. You can see them a bit there. Mental. But I've been running around here trying to get composition, really difficult. But I think I've got enough to work with. The whole time the battery was flashing red, I think the camera was going to stop. But awesome sunset. I just hope I got some sort of decent composition going on there. The way these boats are laid out is really difficult. The composition of these boats was really hard to deal with. But in the end I did get one good shot out of the whole set. And I was very pleased.